Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next item, I wanted to do one on a product that's called the Ultima Apple Watch Band, and this one's in breathable nylon. They make several different kinds of watch bands, but this particular one is called the breathable nylon version. It's very compatible. It's for Apple Watch Series 8 all the way up to the Ultra, so all the ones from 1 to 8 and the Ultra. There's 3 size options fitting for the large version watch, 42, 44, and 45 millimeter. For small version watch, 38, 40, 41 millimeter. And then of course for the largest, the Ultra is 49. It's very adjustable. It is designed with a hook and loop closure, which is easy for you to adjust the tightness at any time. The fitting range for the 42, 44, 45, and 49 is as follows. The length is 6.8 to 9 inches. Extra large is 9 inches to 10 inches. The fitting range for the 38, 40, and 41 is 6.3 inches to 8.5. It's breathable material. It's designed with woven and loop and hollow out, which is breathable for sweat and heat. It's very durable. The nylon material is very tough and rugged, which can provide enough security when using in sports activities. The connector and buckle are made of stainless steel. That impressed me. A lot of them are plastic. It provides texture and comfort. Comes in a variety of different colors as well. The one I purchased is military green. They have black, red, gray, orange, blue, and finally yellow. I wanted to show a picture of the reverse of it. Not a lot of people really know this or even probably care, but if you notice the reverse, the material overlaps into the watch, so your wrist or your hair on your wrist isn't getting caught in the watch band all the time. So it's a lot of neat little small things like that they've done to make this one of the best watch bands I've ever had. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.